Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In today's video, I'm going to show you this super easy green sparkly eye makeup look, which doesn't take too much time and effort. And I just love the subtle sparkle. It's really beautiful for spring, but I think if you have brown eyes, you can rock this all year long. I think this is such a gorgeous eye look for brown eyes. I don't have brown eyes, unfortunately, but yeah, I hope you guys are going to enjoy watching. Now I'm going to go in with the MAC Cosmetics Paint Pot in the color Soft Ochre, which is my favorite eyeshadow primer. I'm going to apply this all over the eyelid, and what this is going to do, it's going to remove the redness and leave me with a nice clean canvas for all the eyeshadows that I will apply. I'm using a P84 brush from Sigma, which is unfortunately not available anymore. I love this brush. I'm so sad that they discontinue it because I just really like it. But yeah, it's still my favorite. So I'm gonna go in with this Jelly Much eyeshadow from Colourpop. In one of my previous videos, I also used one of the Colourpop Jelly Much eyeshadows, and I told you guys how much I love it. You guys wanted to see more videos where I use these, so today I'm gonna play with this color right here, which is kind of like a vibrant lime green color. And this is the only product I'm going to use for my eyeshadow. I wanted to keep it super simple, just like my previous video where I did like a silvery smoky eye look. If you haven't watched it yet, I will make sure to link it down in the description bar. It's actually one of my favorite like shimmery smoky eye looks that I've created in a while. So I will link that down in the description bar, especially for the holidays coming up. It's so easy to create, so hopefully that will give you some inspiration. But today we're doing a green eye look. I don't do green eye looks very often, so I felt like let me just grab a green eyeshadow because, you know, I know a lot of people with brown eyes would appreciate it. I have blue eyes, so I feel like green never really, like, it's the color for my eye color. But of course, I want to help you guys out for those who love green eyeshadow. And I actually really liked it. I actually got a compliment when I went to the store. So maybe it does suit my eye color. So I used it all over the eyelid, and I'm also going to use it with a tiny pencil brush from Sigma all underneath the lower lash line. And it's so simple. I just love these Colourpop eyeshadows. And no, this is not sponsored. I just really like them. And they come in so many shades. There's also this kind of like bronzy color, which, oh my god, it's so pretty. I could wear it honestly every day. It's kind of like my favorite type of color for eyeshadow. If you guys want me to do a video using that one as well, let me know. I don't want to like bore you guys with these eyeshadows. But they're just very stunning. I would definitely recommend, and they're not too expensive. It's Colourpop, so yeah, if you're searching for a nice kind of like creamy, glittery, shimmery eyeshadow, you guys will love this. So now I'm gonna go in with this duo pencil from Charlotte Tilbury. I'm using the nude side, and I'm gonna apply it in my waterline. I didn't want to go in with like a green pencil in the waterline. I wanted to keep it a little bit more wearable, a little bit neutral. So I'm just going in with this neutral color in the waterline just to remove the redness, and it will kind of make my eyes appear more brighter and just looking fresh. Then I quickly decided to go in with some eyeliner. I'm using this one from Summer Kusami, just using a very thin line above the lash line, nothing too crazy. It's just because I decided to go in with lashes, and sometimes, you know, when you wear lashes, you can see the lash band very clearly. But if you use like a thin line of eyeliner underneath, the lash band will kind of like fade into the lash band and make it look more, just more neat. I don't want to say natural because it doesn't look natural, but you won't really see the lash band that obvious. So now I'm going to curl the lashes because it's time for mascara, and I'm going to go in with one of my all-time favorites, which is the Benefit Cosmetics Roller Lash Mascara. Love this mascara and have been loving this for years and years. So I'm going to apply this on the lashes. Not too much because, like I said, I will go in with false lashes, but I do always try to make my lower lashes as long as possible to kind of like match up with the fake lashes. I did go in with some House of Lashes. I believe these are the iconic demi lashes. They're actually the half lashes, but I do feel like, I mean, they're half lashes, but they don't really look like half lashes on me. They actually look like regular lashes. I don't know. What do you guys think? Do these look like half lashes? I always feel like these are a little bit shorter. But of course you can always cut them in half and they will be even more shorter, but I don't know. But yeah, this is the finished result. Super easy, quick to recreate. Let me know if you have tried these Colourpop eyeshadows or if you want to try them. And yeah, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. This is really helpful for my YouTube channel. I really appreciate it. I can use the support for my channel because my views are not that great anymore. So I really appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos. And if any feedback, requests for looks, let me know. And yeah, thanks for watching and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys!
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you.